Today's video is a quick tip video, and I gotta tell you this. It has to do with a caulking gun. Here's the thing. There are a couple tools in a caulk gun you just might not know about. And one of those tools is a hidden tool. And I'm gonna tell you what it is coming up next. I'm Leah of Seejanedrill, and at the top of the video I talked about two tools that are included generally with most caulking guns. Now if you're thinking, wait a second, I think it's that you can use a caulking gun as a pistol clamp like this one here in a pinch. And I gotta tell you, you'd be wrong about that. You cannot use a caulking gun as a clamp in a pinch. And how do I know? Because I've tried it, okay? A caulking gun comes with a couple extra tools, and one of them is hidden in plain sight, and it's right here on the side. And what it is it's a cartridge puncturing tool. You know, that way you're not hunting around the house for, well, a very long nail or a coat hanger to puncture the seal in a caulking cartridge. But the other tool, it isn't hidden in plain sight. Not really. You gotta look for it a little bit and know that it's there. See that? Well, there's a razor blade there that snips off the tip of your caulking cartridge. That way you're not hunting around for a utility knife, and well, to be honest with you, it's a lot safer to use your caulk gun to cut off the tip. Now, all caulk guns are not created equally. This is an inexpensive caulk gun, and even though it has the puncture tool and it has the tip cutter here, I have to honestly tell you, the cheaper caulk guns like this one, they do a really poor job of cutting off the tip. Sometimes you just have to spend a little bit more money to get a quality gun like this one here. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.